Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my video resume presentation. I am Joshua Plorante Vidal, a BSIT student, web developer, and IT support and helpdesk intern. In my screen is my contacts. Here is my Gmail, Joshua Vidal PUP student at gmail.com, and my contact number, and currently I am living in Taguig City. So regarding with my education, I am currently studying in Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Taguig Campus, with the program of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and I am expecting to graduate on early October 2026, and my program is well focused on web development, software engineering, database systems, and UI UX designing. So my work experience and internship, I became an IT support, help desk, and computer technician intern at Department of Trade and Industries or DTI under Information Systems Management Service Division and Information Systems Division. So my responsibility as a IT support is to provide first level IT support and help desk assistance to DTA employees to troubleshoot hardware and software and network issues as a hands-on technician, co-develop an equipment inventory management system for DTI ISMS division. This is also for our technopreneurship project. So my internship duration is from February 16 to May 26, 2026. So my other work experience is data entry and encoder. This is for my freelancing, and my freelance company is US Title Network, Professional Governmental Research and Solutions Incorporation, and George County, South Carolina, Real Estate Lookup. So my responsibility here is to download and encode real estate information into structured Excel files. So this freelance is based on US. So my freelancing is start in January 2023, also ended on January 2026. So now let's proceed to my notable projects. First is, or the most recently is the Equipment Inventory Management System or EQIMA that we built for TTI ISMS division. This project is also for our technopreneurship program. So what is this system all about? We built this for the Department of Trade and Industries, ISMS division. This system streamlines equipment tracking, inventory management, and asset for government use. So my role here is I am a full stack developer. Next is the membership information management system for radio engineering circle. This is our capstone project, and regarding with this, we develop a membership management system for the Radio Engineering Circle Incorporated that streamlines member registration, profile management, and application tracking and organizational records through a centralized web-based platform. Next is the PUP Taguig Library Management System or PUP TLMS. This is our Java project. For our Java program, we develop a LMS that manages book inventory, borrowing, returns, and user records using a MySQL backend database for efficient library operations. So as well, same as my Equima MIMS, my role in this project is a full stack developer. So lastly is our game develop, Clash Invasion. So I designed an intuitive FPS game UI, collaborated on storyline and game flow, and implemented core gameplay mechanics. So here, my role is being a front-end developer for this game development project. So my core skills are listed in this page. So my programming language is Python, C++, PHP, JavaScript, and Java. So my database and tools that I use is MySQL, some MySQL Workbench, NetBeans IDE, and also and of course, VS Code. So with my data and offices tools, I use Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. And for web development, I am using frameworks such as Laravel, React.js, Next.js, and UI/UX, Figma as for my website designing. Next is project management. I use GitHub, Trello, Notion, Docker, and an agile methodology for collaboration. Lastly, for IT support, I am excelling in hardware troubleshooting, software support, and lastly is helpdesk operations. So that's all in my video resume presentation. I am Joshua Vidal, and I'd like to thank everyone for listening and watching my video resume presentation. So if you have any questions regarding my video resume, you can contact me at my contacts that I have been shown earlier. So that's all. Thank you.